Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Bhindi Sabzi cooking. Today I'm going to share with you okra. In typical Punjabi we call it Bhindi Sabzi, and I'm going to make it tasty and delicious. The ingredients I'm going to use: 1 onion for our tadka, olive oil, Amchur mango powder. This will reduce the salaminess. All the spices are 1 teaspoon each: coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, red chili powder, cumin powder, salt, and 2 teaspoon ginger and green chili paste. The bhindi, the okra, I washed it, dried off with paper towel. I discard these, then cut right in the middle into really thin slices. Get a fry pan and start gas. Keep the gas on high, and we'll bring 1 tablespoon olive oil. I'll bring onion. Mix it. We're going to saute our onion until they become translucent. Cooking for 3 minutes. I'm going to bring ginger and green chili paste. Mix it well, and we're going to keep cooking until it's nicely cooked. Cooking for additional 2 minutes, altogether cooking our onion for 5 minutes. And now I'm going to bring all the spices. Mix it well, and we're going to cook like 30 seconds. This is good. I'm going to bring the gas to medium, and now I'm going to bring okra. Mix it well. So keep mixing with our masala, and now on a medium flame we're going to cook our bhindi, okra. Cooking our okra for 3 minutes. This is how it looks, and we're still cooking on medium gas. Now I'm going to bring amchur. Sprinkle all over and mix it well. And this will reduce the slaminess. Continue cooking the same way on medium flame. Cooking for additional 5 minutes. This is how it looks. Cooking exactly 10 minutes. Our bhindi okra is fully nicely cooked, and I'm going to dish out. I'll turn off the gas. This is so tasty and so delicious. Let me share with you. Our quick and easy, tasty, delicious Bhindi Sabzi, okra sabzi is very tasty. Please try it. And please comment below how it turned out for you. And I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Best of all, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.